Bitcoin does not exist in physical form like paper money. It is a type of currency that is digital, decentralized, can grow in value, and be traded at any time. It is desirable due to its limited supply of 21 million, its low transaction fees, and most important, people can securely send and receive money in the form of Bitcoin without the need of a third party like a bank to verify or validate a transaction. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of computers, referred to as miners, that have to reach a consensus that validates each transaction. It is then recorded on the public Bitcoin ledger that anyone can access and view, otherwise known as the blockchain. In return, miners are rewarded with a small transaction fees and a share of newly minted Bitcoin in exchange for their computing power and contribution to the network. And the cycle goes on. So there you have it, that's Bitcoin in under 1 minute. Let me know down below in the comments if you'd like me to make a longer version. Thank you for watching.